Hello, everybody. This is Marcus Curry with visual art presentation. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to go on and get started. So, elements of nonverbal communication. Marcus J. Curry. So, what are the elements of nonverbal communication? Let's take a look into it. We have eye contact. Usually, when a person is having a conversation with someone, and whether it's an interview or whether it's just talking to a good friend or family member, the way that you show someone that you're engaged in the conversation is by way of eye contact. We look intently at the person in which we're having a conversation with to show them that we are engaged and we are interested in what they're saying to us. The position in a room. Sometimes when we are scared or fearful, we may have a tendency to go in a part of the room where it is easier to access the exit in the event that something could occur. Facial expressions. Facial expressions are a big indicator of nonverbal communication. If we are disheartened about something, if we are sad about something, we will show it on our faces. Hand gestures. Sometimes when we are speaking or giving a speech or doing something that in which we are making an appeal to an audience member, we use our hands a lot. And so I'm trying to get you to understand what it is that I'm saying by using my hands. Voice fluctuations. Usually what happens, when we have voice fluctuations is when we're not speaking actual words like ow or ooh. That could indicate or signify that I'm hurt. So let's look at the different elements depicted in the pictures that were given. Eye contact. So in analyzing this picture, we see that he is not making direct contact with the camera in which he's taking a picture. Sometimes when we look away, we can be uncomfortable. We can be in pain sometimes. Body posture. If you look intently, you'll notice that he's kind of stiff. He's sitting up. He could be uncomfortable, as I said before. Facial expression. If you notice this picture, this man is not really smiling, very stoic or just very plain faced. He probably doesn't want to take the picture. Let's move on. Body posture. So in this picture, we see that this woman's hands is on her back. This could indicate a lot of things. This means she could be tired, she could be weary, she could be suffering from fatigue. If you notice in the background, this looks somewhat of like a plantation, so she's probably been working all day. There's a lot of elements that could be drawn and a lot of conclusions that can be drawn based off this picture. She's frowning. So that could possibly mean that she's been in pain, as I stated before, from a day's labor. She's not making eye contact with the camera. Notice when she's looking away and it looks as though she's looking at something, but however, she's not looking right into the camera. She could be ashamed of the way she looks. Her clothes are kind of worn and hair is not the best in this particular picture. So she could be ashamed of her appearance, which is why she's probably looking away. Eye contact. This particular picture, the woman is looking directly into the camera. However, it is a look of indifference. It's that kind of look where she's saying, keep your distance, don't come on me, I want to be alone, I don't want you near my space. Her body language, her arms are folded, and oftentimes when we fold our arms, this is a stance or this is a position of defense. We are anticipating someone probably putting their hands on us, so we fold our arms to kind of prevent that or alleviate that from happening. Facial expression. She gives a very incredulous smirk, meaning that someone probably could be talking to her and she's just saying, I don't believe what you're saying. That's not true. So that's probably why she's giving that incredulous smirk. Eye contact. Notice within this picture, this woman, she stares directly into the camera, giving off a confidence and security within herself. When people stare into the camera without any kind of trepidation or any kind of reluctance, they're usually confident, they're secure, and they're ready to take the picture. Her hands are on each other, signifying a level of comfort with the person behind the camera. She's crossing her hands in a stance of being comfortable. Facial expression. She smiles warmly and she gives off a very inviting and soothing demeanor. She's not scared, she's not intimidated, she's ready to take the picture, and she really is in a happy mood or in a happy demeanor.